G'day, I'm Paul. Yes, you are seeing what you think you're seeing. This is an MG Cyberster, and that is a Cadbury coloured Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate, and it looks so good, and it sounds unbelievable as well. Elpos, run us through quick power and torque specs on that.
Right, so this thing, this is pretty much a dinosaur now. Obviously the new one has come out, but this is the best of the Aventadors. It's a 6.5 litre V12 with 570 kilowatts and 720 newton meters. Now it's supposed to do 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. It is pretty wet out there though, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get much traction, but I reckon I'm going to catch you as we get going.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's the thing. It is diabolically wet out there. This is like the only time it's stopped raining in the past 2 days, so we're just trying to squeeze this in where we can. The interesting thing, even though that makes 200 kilowatts more than this is about 370, they have the same amount of torque. So this being electric, you're getting that instant torque. Whether this will hold that torque across the quarter mile though will be a different story. And of course that, when it launches, it just sends all 574 kilowatts of power to the road. It doesn't even just wait. It just goes, no, you just have all of that. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it goes. And I'm most excited to hear what that sounds like. And in fact, just give it a little tickle now.
Can I just point one more thing out? I just did a practice run before, and I have to tell you, I'm genuinely scared for my life. This thing in the wet is diabolically scary.
Yes, especially for amateur drivers like you. A big shout out to MG for helping us cover the cost of putting all this on. And if you do want to check out our single car review of the Cyberster, where I put it through its paces at our proving ground, you can use the link in the description below. And finally, a massive thanks to our mate Lawrence, who has loaned us some of his incredible cars to run some of these drag races. What we're going to be doing is a quarter mile run with both of these cars from a standing start. Then we're going to do a rolling race where we drop a hat and both take off at the same time. Then at the end, I'm just going to be quiet so you can hear these cars barreling down the quarter mile and you can see the exact numbers that we log. Oh, I'm nervous. I've got this in super sport mode with launch mode enabled, so I'm just going to be pushing the brake and the throttle at the same time, and it should, in theory, take off with some great pace. Oh, I'm actually scared. I don't know what's going to happen here. That thing is a rocket ship.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yes! Oh my God, it is wet.
Come on! Oh,
I am destroying him. Right, he's catching. Go, 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 go. Yes! I just bet a Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate.
no way.
Yes! Oh my God, that was so good.
I'm really struggling with traction off the line here. Hey, it's crazy.
You're just full of excuses, aren't you? It's as wet on my side of the road as it is on yours. I had no problems.
Let's do that again. I bogged down a bit on second gear.
Look, I will admit, it is very wet out here, but in theory, you should be able to do what I can do. You have the same amount of torque.
Yeah, there's something to be said about the way the electric motors can distribute the torque better in the wet, because this thing, when it drops the torque band, it really struggles to get back up to speed.
If we had a bit more room, you would have caught me. If it was dry, you would have caught me, but I'm curious to see if you get a bit more traction this time around, how we go. But let's definitely do that again. And then we're going to do the roll race. And in the roll race, I reckon that is where I will be in dire strife.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, all right, he's got better traction there.
Come on, get traction.
Oh, this is going to be close.
Come on.
Go, baby, go. Oh, come on.
Yes. Yes, there we go.
Damn it. Oh, he just bet me there.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Damn, that was close. Holy moly. Nice, that was so close. You just won that, bastard.
Mate, I won that by about quarter mile, I reckon.
Yeah, righto, chap. Quarter mile is the distance of the entire thing. You won that by about 2 or 3 car lengths.
I don't think I could even see you in my mirrors.
Now, with this roll race, we're both going to accelerate up to 50 k's an hour, and then Elbows is going to pick the optimum gear for him. This is electric, so I can just stand on the throttle. And then as soon as cameraman Igor drops his hat, or his reflective vest, whatever he's got at the moment, we're going to slingshot down to the quarter mile marker. All right, let's go. Oh, look at him just being all perky there. All right, here we go.
Come on, baby.
Yes, it was briefly close. Oh, this isn't too bad. No, he's well and truly got me here. There was like 2 car lengths in that. I don't care what you say, that was close.
Mate, all I hear is about how close you were, not how much I won by.
Yes, well, the fact that I could have about 11 of these for your one Cadbury coloured supercar there, I think says it all.
It really is a good looking car, that Cyberster, I gotta say. I'm not sure about the indicator things on the back, but the rest of it looks fantastic. It's a shame you can't take the roof off, because I reckon I wanted to see your hair going all over the place as we were racing.
Look, I will admit that, yes, the wet weather has definitely handicapped you, because that thing is an absolute rocket ship, but I'm still admirably impressed. Now, this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet, and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. Wow, that was something else. Look, I knew that would be quicker. I mean, it is a light supercar. It is unbelievable, but I did not expect this to be as close as it was. Like that is some genuinely crazy stuff. And for what, 1/10 of the price, even more than that, it is stupendous value for money. Now, we do have a stack more of these videos coming, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Big shout out as well to the legends here at Wild Catchem, about 2 hours out of Perth. Come here and grab a feed if you want, visit the nice sites, visit the airport. Good place to be. But until next time, take it easy.